Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Alfa Romeo Giulia TI Super. This casting is by Hot Wheels, and as you can see it's new for 2025. It also says Compact Kings. So these European cars were not as big as you expect those cars from the era in North America. So these were compact yet performance oriented. Looks nice. So let's open it up and see what are the details on it. So here's the Alfa out of its packaging, and first of all it's like see most Italian cars in red. This one does look good in it too. We're gonna start from front. So up front you've got the headlamps which are finished in chrome, headlamp and grille, so they are all like chrome piece. You got the bumper, white bumper with again some details but not a lot of them. You can also see up front that the hood has it's slightly modified. You got, I think these are locks or latches to put in there. They look like that. You got both windshield wipers, but like most of the classes, like older cars, you've got mirror on one side, only on the driver's side. So since we are here, let's talk about driver's side. So you can see the red paint and red and white theme kind of continues. You got the number 60 on the driver door. You got Alfa Romeo written here. You got Momo and Hot Wheels. These wheels we have seen on a lot of older, like not like old Hot Wheels, but Hot Wheels that are trying to look old, like the older cars. It kind of looks like it's not exactly like hubcaps, it kind of looks like that, and they do use it on different cars with like different finishes to make them look different. You also got this, if I'm not wrong, quadrifoglio badge. There's leaf there. And this, I don't know if it's a trim piece or something because it's very fine and can't really figure out. But yeah, apart from that, you see the mirror. You can also see the roll cage in bit there. So there's a roll cage. It's a 4-door, but rear there are no seats. It's a lighter one. It's more faster than the normal Giulia. So the front, there is no glass in the window, so you can see inside. Racing seats, all chrome though. I'm pretty sure they were not chrome on the actual car. So you can see the driver's side. Let's move to the rear. Again, good details on the rear. You can see you've got detailed tail lamps. You've got the number plate that reads TI Super. You also got an exhaust coming down. And if you look closely, you have a spoiler. Not a very huge spoiler, but a small trunk lid spoiler. Even on the roof, if you see, there's like a small shape that comes out. And I think this is the fuel filler cap here, so it's on the rear fender on the top rather than on the side like we see these days. It does look good, even like the rear has some design element. Looks like latches here. Coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical, no major differences. This is how it looks from the top, and this is how the base looks. So plastic one. I did notice something, like if you see the Hot Wheels is missing here in the middle. Normally you see Hot Wheels written there, and then you also see mostly you see the year, like what year it was released. It's missing that too. So I don't know if it's like a mistake or Hot Wheels gonna start doing that, I'm not sure. But as a casting it looks good. It's a nice looking casting. I would love if they didn't just chromed everything up. They had like blacked out wheel and stuff, would have looked even better. But yeah, apart from that, looks like a nice casting, and I hope they end up bringing more Alfa Romeos into the Hot Wheels and Matchbox world. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.